Let's practice addition with regrouping using the partial sum strategy, or what some may call the expanded form strategy. We will be adding 3 and 4-digit numbers just using 3 simple steps. Let's jump right into it. Let's review a few key vocabulary. Decompose means to break apart the numbers by place. Expanded form, to write the numbers according to the value of each digit. And also partial, which simply means a part of. Here's our first example, 562 plus 349. We're going to first decompose each number by writing it in expanded form. Since there's a 5 in the hundreds place, I'll write out 500, 6 in the tens, which equals 60, and 2 ones. I'll do the same for 349, 3 in the hundreds, which equals 300, 4 tens, which equals 40, 9 ones is 9. Moving right along to step 2, I will now add the numbers in each place value group. Starting with the ones, 9 and 2 is 11, 60 plus 40 is 100, and then I have 500 plus 300 equals 800. Step 3, I will now add the partial sums. 800 plus 100 plus 11. I can use a little mental math. I know 800 plus 100 is 900, and add 11, 911. So we know that 562 plus 349 equals 911. Now let's try this next problem together. We can always refer to the anchor chart for guidance. So beginning with step 1, we must decompose each number. So what would that look like? If you said 600 plus 30 plus 5, then you're on the right track. Now the same for 274. 200, 7 in the tens place, 70, and 4 ones. Now that we've expanded each number, we're going to go to step 2, which is to add the numbers in each place value group. So I'm going to add the ones, 5 plus 4, 9, 30 plus 70, 100, 600 plus 200, 800. And our last step, add the partial sums. So I'm going to add 800 plus 100. I can do mental math in this case. I know that's 900 plus 9. Adding all that together, that's 909. So I know that 635 plus 274 is 909. Make sense? And we'll follow the same process with this larger number, 2,249 plus 1,354. And we're going to begin with step 1, which is to decompose each number by place. What would that look like? Well, since we have a 2 in the thousands place, that's 2,000. 2 in the hundreds, 200. 4 in the tens, 40. And 9 ones. And you'll do the same for the next number. Now we're ready to move on to step 2. Add the numbers in each place value group. So beginning with the ones, I'm going to add 9 plus 4 is 13. 40 plus 50 is 90. 200 plus 300 is 500. And 2,000 plus 1,000 is 3,000. Moving on to our final step, we're going to add the partial sums together. Since I have 4 partial sums, I'm just going to group them 2 at a time for easier mental math computation. So 3,000 plus 500 is 3,500, and then we can also add 90 plus 13, which gives us 103. Adding those 2 together, we get a sum of 3,603. Now it's your turn to give it a try independently. Pause the video to solve for the first problem. When you're ready to check your answer, just click the play button to resume. So how did you do? Did you remember to follow each step? And did you end up with a final answer of 782? If so, then try this next problem. Remember to pause the video, and when you're ready to check your answer, just click the play button to resume. Now take a look and compare what I have to what you did. Did you end up with the same sum of 5,974? If so, you're on the right track. Be on the lookout for part 2 of a video using the partial sum strategy, just slightly different, and then you decide which one you prefer. As always, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And for more videos similar to this one, don't forget to subscribe.